Good morning everyone, welcome to our 57th session hiking to Wandry Hill. And today is spring, the first day of spring, September the 9th. No, September the 1st, sorry. Okay, so hope you're having a lovely day. Today's Father's Day, so just cook some breakfast for your father or spend some time with your father. You know, all those good things. Okay, we're going to Hanson Track. Never been here for a long time. I think about like 5 to 6 weeks, I'm not sure. The Hanson Track is kind of for beginners, but it has steep areas and really rocky roads. Actually, even more rockier than Chandler, sorry. Rockier than Chandler. Yeah, Chandler. I don't know why I combined the two names. Outlook Track, 1.8 kilometers, and we'll be at Wandry Hill. Yeah, there are a few shortcuts you can take, so I'm just like back of here. Sorry if you can't see it, but just don't want to turn back and walk back here. And during the time lapse, you can just see a shortcut we just passed. It also can be accessed right at the corner of the grassy patch. Yeah, that's about it I can say. You can use many things as a bench, so feel free to sit on some not bushes, logs, yeah, fallen logs like these, or some stones. Sorry for the shaky camera, it's just either that I'm just itching or I'm just pretty bad at handling it because my hands just tend to be pretty shaky. Okay, here is a shortcut to Outlook, like the bottom area of Outlook. So you can access near Crete and another track. I forgot what name is it. Okay, onward with the hike. this intersection of tracks. Okay, so down here is Tyson Track. And if you want to go to One Tree Hill, so just turn here, then turn right. Or if you just want to go to Outlook, then keep going straight. Then until you go to Remy Track, turn left. But if you want to go to this GO track, you have to just walk straight. It's really tiring, but it will just lead you up to One Tree Hill. There's this bench, so you can sit on it. What? Oh no, this is a video. But I can't hear you.
What?
I can't hear you. Alright, so just don't worry, I was just talking to my little brother. Just be mindful that some trees can fall. Yeah, we had a few occasions of that. And one time there's this lightning struck a tree. Kinda looks nice. Okay, I'll meet you at Remy Track. Here we are at this point. This is Remy Track, and here are the signs that lead to One Tree Hill. Okay, just keep going forward, and then turn a bit. I think left. Yeah, turn left. Turn left a bit. And you'll get there. Sorry for all those shaky time lapse. I'm just not really stable with my arms. I mean, someone can just do it better than me. Don't know why I have shaking arms though. Okay, I'll meet you at One Tree Hill. See ya. Okay, here we are at One Tree Hill Picnic Ground. It seems pretty quiet because it's Father's Day. And most male workers just take a break from work. And yes, that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you have a great day. Bye.